Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the verb. Okay. So verb. What is a verb? First of all, you should know that what is a verb. Okay. In these simple terms, as we have learned earlier in our previous classes, that the doing verbs or the action words are called as a verb. Okay. But now a little bit more or something is added more to that. Just see here. So what is a verb? A verb is a word that tells something about a person or a thing or a thing. A verb is a word that tells something about a person or a thing. So what is verb? It tells us something about a person or a thing. It may tell us. Now see what a verb can tell us about the person or about the things. It can tell us that what a person or things does. Okay? That what the person or the thing does. For example, Abhay reads. Okay? So who is Abhay? Abhay is a person. Abhay is a person. Okay? So what the person is doing? Person is reading. He reads. Harsh play. Here also Harsh. Who is Harsh? Harsh is a person. So what the Harsh is doing? Harsh is playing. Okay. Now see, we enjoy. Here what we do? We are enjoying. So these three examples are telling that what a person is doing. So first thing is this, that a verb tells us what a person or thing does. Okay. Now the second thing, that the verb tells us what is done to a person or thing. What is done to a person or thing? Please just try to understand the difference between the two. In the first point, you have learned that what a person or a thing does, that what the person or thing is doing or what they have done. And in the second point, you can see here that what is done to a person or a thing. Okay, what is done to a person or a thing. For example, Pallavi was praised. So who is praised here? That is Pallavi has got the praised. Pallavi was praised. The plate is broken. Okay, see here what is done to a person or thing. Here you can see here that what has been done to the Pallavi. Pallavi has been praised. What has been done to the plate? The plate is broken. Okay, please try to understand. First thing, that a verb tells us that what a person or a thing does. Okay, that what the person or the things they are doing or what they have done. Now the second thing, that it tells us that what is done to a person or a thing. Second, okay, means these things are also included under the verb, means the praised or the broken, like these things. What a person or thing is. And the third thing which is included under the verb, that is what a person or thing is, means what the person or the thing is. The rabbit is scared. So the rabbit is scared. This is your verb here. Okay. I am thankful to him. So I am what I am. I am just thankful to him. So the first thing, that the verb tells us that what a person or thing does. First thing, it tells us that what the person or thing does, means what the person or the thing is doing in the sentence. Now the second thing, it tells us that what has been done to the person or a thing. Can you see what has been done to this person? She has got the praising. Praise. She has got praised. The plate is broken. What has been done to this object, this thing? This thing has got broken. So this is your verb here. Okay, now the third point that is included under the verb, that is what a person or thing is. Means what the person or thing is, what they are. The rabbit is scared. Here scared is your verb. I'm thankful to him. Here thankful. So what you understand from the verb? Again let's recall. A verb is a word that tells us something about a person or a thing. A verb is a word that tells something about a person or a thing. So first thing, it may tell us that what a person or thing does. First thing, it may tell us that what a person or thing does. Second, what is done to a person or a thing. And the third thing, what a person or thing is. Okay, so this was about the verb. Now come to the types of verb. Basically verbs are mainly of the two types. First one, this is your transitive verb, and the second, this is your intransitive verb. Okay, so this you have to learn, students. Okay, that the verb, what is verb, what it include, means verb from here till here, and these 3 points you have to learn these things. This and verbs are these types of verb. So first one, that is the transitive verb, and the second, that is a intransitive verb. Okay, first one is transitive verb. Transitive verb, what is a transitive verb? If in the simple language you have to say, then the simple transitive verbs are such verbs that denotes an action that pass over from the subject to an object. Okay, so the transitive verbs, it denotes an action that passes over from the doer or subject to an object. Means here it denotes such kind of actions that pass over from the doer. Doer is known as a subject, is it? So it denotes such type of actions that pass from the subject to the object. Okay, means overall you can say that the transitive verb, that such kind of sentences, they contain the verbs. Okay, verbs are present in such kind of a objects are present in such kind of a sentences. Okay, and in the intransitive sentences, object is not going to be present. See here, she always speak the truth. She always speak the truth. So what is the verb here? That is the speak. Okay, what she speak? She speak the truth. So this is your object. Okay, this is your object here. This is your object, this is your subject. She always speak the truth. Okay, this is your object. You can take some more examples also. Just see here. For example, Pallavi was praised. Can you see here? Pallavi was praised. Here the receiver of the action, means object is not there. Only we are just saying that Pallavi was praised. Okay, I mean nothing is the receiver of this subject. Isn't Pallavi was praised? It's okay, simply no object is present here. Okay, then see here, open all the doors. Open all the doors. So here the object is present. What should be opened? The doors should be opened. So here the object is present. Now see here, sit here silently. This is not a transitive verb because object is not here. Nothing is there who can receive the action of the subject. Okay, here nothing is there who can receive the action of the subject. I mean no object is there. So that's why this is not a transitive sentence. So what is a transitive verb? It denotes an action that pass over from the doer or subject to an object. Okay, such kind of actions that passes from The passes over from the doer. Doer. It is also called as subject, from subject to the object. She always speak the truth. See here, from the subject is passing to the object. What she always speak? She always speak the truth. This is your object here. So this is the example of a transitive verb. Intransitive verb. It denotes an action which does not pass over to an object or which expresses a state of being. Okay? It denotes an action which does not pass over to an object or which expresses a state of being suddenly. Okay? Means it expresses such kind of actions in which there is a nothing is going to be there for the receiver of the subject. Simply it expresses a state of being in whatever state or condition they are. For example, you can see here, the van stopped suddenly. The van stopped. Van stopped. After that, nothing was there. Isn't? Anything is there in the continuation. Van stopped means van stopped. Okay. So, the van stopped. No object is there. So, this is the example of your intransitive verb. See here. Sit here silently. Sit here silently. Can you see? So, just tell me that this is the transitive or intransitive verb. Sit here. Okay, simply it has been said that sit here. Nothing is there. Afterwards, sit here silently. Nothing is there. Nothing is there to receive the action of the subject. So, that's why this is your intransitive verb. Okay. The rainbow looks beautiful. The rainbow looks beautiful. So, this is also your intransitive subject. The rainbow looks beautiful. How the rainbow looks? It looks beautiful. Nothing is the receiver here. Okay, no object is present here. So, that's why this is your intransitive sentence. So, what you have to do here? Here you have to write T for transitive and I for intransitive in the following sentences. So, open all the doors. This is your transitive sentence. He will stay here for few days. So, see here. He will stay here for few days. This is intransitive. Okay. Because he will stay here means he got stopped there. He is staying there. And nothing is afterwards. Okay. Nothing is the receiver of the action. Sit here silently. Sit here silently. Only sit here. Afterwards, nothing has been written here. So, that's why nothing is the receiver of the action. So, this is your intransitive sentence. He burnt his waste papers. What he burnt? He burnt his waste paper. See here. After the verb, here the something is there to receive the action of this subject. What is the subject here? That is he. Okay. So, he burnt. What he burnt? He burnt his waste paper. So, this is your object. Okay. So, this is your transitive verb. The rainbow looks beautiful. How the rainbow look? That look beautiful. But the nothing is there to receive the action. Okay. This is the complementary verb. Beautiful is not the object. Okay. Beautiful is not the object. So, this is your intransitive. For being a transitive verb, object should be present in the sentence. The dog is running behind a cat. The dog is running. See here. The sentences which are transitive, the sentences which are containing a transitive verb, it's also having the objects, isn't it? See here. This is your verb. So, the dog is running. If this portion is not going to be there, okay, hide this portion. Behind a cat, the dog is running. If simply this much is written, the dog is running, it means that this sentence is going to be of intransitive. But if it is written, the dog is running behind a cat, means after in the continuation, the dog is running behind a cat. Here a cat is your object. So, that's why this sentence, that is the transitive verb. Okay. And students, please listen the videos carefully and try to understand it. If you have any queries, you can ask in the comment option. Okay, and keep on doing your work. And as the school is going to be reopened, again I'll try to explain these points and clear doubts. But just try to complete your work and be updated with your work. Okay, because the reopening is not fixed, so just keep on doing your work. So thank you and have a good day.